Processing payroll is a highly complex activity as individuals have different rules depending on their salary structure. This becomes further complex while processing payments to freelancers for the hours of their work based on the delivery committed. Traceability of work done, payment terms agreed, rates of different freelancers are very complex for the organizations to maintain. Even after the payments are made, the freelancers face difficulties in reconciling the received payments, remitting the payments to their family members, and tracking the history of these transactions. So, our web application EasyPay aims to solve all the problems in one single sweep. We have come forward with a way to use blockchain technology to create a payment gateway, which basically ensures easy and smooth transfer of money from the company to the freelancer as and remitting the payment received to the freelancers family members, as well as have a track of the history of these transactions. Now let us have a look at the working of has an initial balance of 100 ethers, but because of the gas which is released because of the transaction, you can see the less amount. So now the employer can add a new contract by entering the respective details of the contract. A contract has been created. The employer can view the details of the contract as well as can initiate the payment. But we won't be doing the payment right now. Now let us log out from the employer side. Now register on behalf of the freelancer. The freelancer can look at his or her current projects. The and the current balance of the freelancer is 100 tokens, which we have taken in the form of ethers. The freelancer can as well as remit the amount to the family as well as the friends. Um, let the freelancer enter the details of the recipient. So, if the payment is successful, you can the freelancer can look at. रुक जा. If the payment is successful, the freelancer can look at the hash of the transaction and can match it from the transaction history. Now, as you can see, the current balance of the freelancer has deducted and the amount has been transferred to the beneficiary, the family member. Uh, now, now, now let us go back onto the home page. Now, employer login. So, okay, now let us pay to the freelancer now since the work has been completed. Let us enter the number of leaves and the amount which was initially to be paid, and the blockchain will calculate the respective amount. So the transaction is successful and the current balance has been reduced. Yes. Now log out. Thank you.